Hey guys, Anthony Medico, SVG. I'm here live with WOOSCK. And we wanted to thank everybody, all the attendees, all the vendors for coming out to the Window Storm Conference and Trade Show here in sunny Scottsdale, Phoenix, Arizona.
I've gotten a lot of feedback. I think it's one of the best conferences.
One of the best run.
That's what I've heard.
Had a few hiccups here and there, but other than you always have a couple hiccups. But other than that, we're real impressed with the turnout and the production of the show.
And the feedback. So thank you all, because without you guys, this would never happen.
Booyah, baby.
Booyah, baby.
So guys, we know a lot of you guys are going back now. We talked about scale it at the conference. A lot of you guys are going back to your offices. You should be mobilizing new sales associates, new key managers, getting ready to scale it when that snow melts or when a storm hits or whatever it is you're doing. You should be really building a team. And to support that effort, we got a great promotional offer for SVGU for both attendees and basically anybody on the SVG page. So let's before you bring it out.
I'm sorry.
Don't bring out the
I know,
book.
I'm very excited.
Don't cut me with that thing.
I'm very excited about this.
That thing's sharp.
I'm very excited about this, guys.
Easy there, Autumn. So guys, for our online university, a lot of guys use our platform. If you currently use it and you're up for renewal, or if you're a new user thinking about using it, or maybe you perhaps want to do a demo this week, this is our platform to help train in sales associates, key managers, production managers, basically anybody in a roofing or restoration company on how to do what it is we do, how to sell, how to build, how to collect, how to do all that stuff. We're doing a 5-user package special. So by this Friday, if you do a 5-user package and pay the year in full, we're going to give away a whole bunch of cool stuff. Number one, a set of the brand new SVGU VR goggles. These are the 3.0 version. These are retailed at $39.99. You're going to get them free if you enroll in a 5-user package of SVGU. By the way, these have the hand sensor technology, so you can see your hands in there. You can answer test questions in the virtual world. These have over 40 new courses. Unlike the older version, which had about 15, it has 40 new courses added to them. And you can jump back and forth between augmented reality and virtual reality. So these are really cool. You don't need one for every sales associate, but you should have one in your war room or your sales room for interviews, recruiting, onboarding, that first week of training. Awesome recruiting
and the
tool.
rumor has it that we're updating, I guess, their new courses.
They're already updated. Yeah, they're updated with new courses.
No,
so when you get these,
quarterly.
40 new courses, and we do a quarterly update with at least 40 new courses every quarter. So we're constantly updating the goggles. Those are free if you do the 5-user package by Friday. The year paid in full. Another cool deal.
This is mine.
The Rambo knife.
Dun, 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 dun.
Now these were a new gift set we ordered.
I don't know why anybody would send one to me.
Easy there, Piper. This is a new from Cutting Edge Gifts. They were a vendor at our conference this year. I know you guys saw them, and so we're going to take advantage of some of their products to reward our customers. Look at that thing. It's sharp as a razor knife.
I'm not sure why.
You could actually shave with this, but I'm not going to. Not around autumn. So
wear
that's
that
one.
back?
That's another freebie you get. So a free set of goggles, a free Rambo knife.
And wait, enough for
And wait, there's more.
A little fanny pack, SVG fanny pack. I know that many were asking about this at When the Storm conference.
For your sales guys, put chalk in it, tape measure, that kind of stuff.
Fanny packs out, we're bringing them back this year.
Or if you're Paul Reed likes to go jogging with these.
Best dressed. He's promoting them.
And wait, there's one more free offer.
Look, take off your shirt.
The Booyah Baby shirt.
This is.
We got 100 of these left over from the conference.
Unfortunately, of all the day, it never rains in Arizona, but on Saturday it actually rained.
Yes,
so
we got hundreds of these left
Camelback
over.
Hike, but these are, yeah, everybody's for
They're Booyah Baby. So guys, just to repeat, 5-user package, which means you can train 5 people in all year, 24/7, full access to the File Vault and SVGU, our online training platform. You get a free set of the goggles, which are retailed at $39.99 because we have extra inventory. A free fanny pack, kind of cool. And you get the Rambo knife, which be careful, that's sharp as a razor blade. Guys, you want to get ready, get mobilized out there, get ready for storm season. Don't wait till April till the storm hits. Start using our platform to recruit, onboard, and train now so you have a team ready when that snow melts, when it gets warm out, when a storm hits, whatever it is you're waiting for. Let's take action now to scale it. Booyah, baby!
Booyah, baby!